ikkita uchta sabab aytadi-da, pastda
har
hamma
sabab
sabab
misol
o'sha
ikkita
ikkita sabab uchun bir donagina reason beradi. Tepada aytgan fikri uchun. Misol uchun, musiqa eshitishni yoqtirasizmi? Ha, men jaz bilan klassikal muzika yoqtiraman deydida. Keyin jaz yoqtiraman falon sabab uchun, klassikal yoqtiraman bu sabab uchun deb alohida qilmaydi, balki umumiyat beradi. Va bu sizni balansni asrorga tortib turadi. Endi siz to'liqroq yuzlashga o'rganishingiz kerak aynan rap qismida. Xuddi mana shunaqa samplda ko'rganimizga o'xshab. Hop, keyin reason berib bo'lganingizdan keyin example'ga o'tishingiz kerak bo'ladi. Example'da siz e'tibor qiling, tepada bergan reasoningizni repetitiv bo'lib qolmasligingiz kerak. Ya'ni qayta-qayta aytmasligingiz kerak. O'quvchilar bo'lsa ko'pincha aynan chalib yuborishadi yoki repetitiv qaytarib yuborishadi. Misol uchun, men musiqa eshitaman, chill out qilaman deydi reasonda. Keyin example'ga kelganda men jaz eshitib maza qilaman, relax qilaman deydi. O'ylaylik, relax bilan chill out men boshqacha ishlarda parokzizm zo'r chiqdi. Lekin aslida mana shu savolga qaytadigan bo'lsak, ya'ni reason bilan example'ga listening to music. Aytishim mumkin, I really enjoy listening to music because it helps me to chill out and maybe I really enjoy art. Ikkita sabab berdi. Juda yaxshi ko'raman o'sha artni va chill out qilaman, ya'ni dam olaman bemalol dedim. Endi men example'ga qanaqa misol beraman? Chill out'da nima boyaga o'xshab. Men endi chill out'da for example, when I'm tired from my work, I listen to music to get rid of my stress from my students. Ya'ni tepada aytganman chill out qilish. Pastda endi qanaqa usul bilan chill out qilish? Ya'ni how degan savolga javob berdim aynan example'da. Va sizni qiladigan ishingiz aynan example'da how degan so'zga javob berish. Reasoningizni to'liqroq demak get rid of stress. Endi art. Artda hech mayli yoqmayman. Yani oilamda hech qanaqa art yoqtiradigan odam bo'lmasa ketaman. And the main I really love to be in touch with music is being in touch with art. As most of my family members really enjoy maybe practicing with art. Aytishim mumkin ekan. Ya'ni example to'liqroq example'da. Va keyinda concluding answer bor. Ya'ni oxirgi answer sal boshqa concluding answer. Ko'pchilik ikkita uchta sabab to'g'ri aytib beradi. Aynan part 3da, chunki to'liqroq examni xohlaydi. Chunki u global hisoblanadi part 3. Shunda siz oxirida qilib berish fikringizni xulosa berishingiz kerak. Ya'ni tepada hamma ideyasi nima edi, o'shani oxirida sum qilib berasiz. Va sabab muhim hisoblanadi, chunki ko'p informatsiya berib qo'ygan vaqtingizda examiner uni qolgungacha ko'p vaqt ketadi miyasida. O'sha vaqtda siz bitta konkluziya berasiz, examiner wow deydi. Ya'ni balangizni ko'tarib beradi. Xo'p, misol reading. So reading is much more than a hobby for me. It's a way to learning and growing. Yani bu shunchaki menga hobbi emas, balki meni o'sishimga va rivojlanishimga yordam beradi deb aytgan. Savollar bu bo'yicha. Ayriya bo'yicha.
Eshitilmay qoldi.
Eshitmayapman.
Mana endi eshitilyapti.
Buni eshittirmadimmi?
Ozgina eng oxirgi gapingiz eshitilmay qoldi.
Concluding answer. Hop, concluding answer'da xulosalar berish kerak. fikringizni
Fikringizni
bergan
bergan
ideyangizni.
ideyangizni
Bu
bu
egzaminimizda
egzaminimizda
yordam
yordam
beradi,
beradi.
chunki
Chunki
miyasida juda ko'p informatsiya bo'lganida bitta qilib tahlil berasiz hamma fikringizni. Shunda sizni ballingiz nisbatan oshadi. Chunki bu
bu
endi
skriptorda
skriptorda
yo'q,
yozilmagan
yozilmagan
qoida
qoida
hisoblanadi. Aynan
hisoblanadi. Aynan
part 3
part
da
3da
va part
va
1
part
da
1da
fikringizni
fikringizni
xulosada
xulosada
berishingiz kerak.
berishingiz kerak.
Nima
Nima
dedingiz?
dedingiz?
Bitta ikkita
Bitta
so'z
ikkita so'z
yoki bir
yoki bir
donaga
donaga
nima
nima
bilan
bilan
xulosada
xulosada
berishingiz
berishingiz
bo'ladi.
bo'ladi.
Hop,
Hop,
misol
misol
uchun
uchun
aytyapti,
aytyapti.
so
So
reading is
reading
much
is
more
much
than a
more than a
hobby for
hobby
me.
for
It's
me.
a way
It's a
to
way
keep
to keep
learning and
learning and
growing.
growing.
Ya'ni
Ya'ni
bu
bu
faqatgina
faqatgina
menga
menga
hobbi
hobbi
sifatida
sifatida
emas,
emas,
balkim
balkim
o'sishim va
o'sishim va
o'rganishimga
o'rganishimga
yordam
yordam
beradi
beradi
deb
deb
aytdi. So,
So,
hammasi
hammasi
tushunarli.
tushunarli.
Qanaqadir
Qanaqadir
savolingiz
savolingiz
bormi?
bormi?
Yo'q, hozircha hammasi tushunarli.
Aha.
Aha.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
now
now
it's your
it's
turn
your
to
turn
answer
to
the
answer the
questions
questions
according to
according
the
to
every
the
year
every
method.
year.
Do you
Do you
enjoy
enjoy
reading?
reading?
I need to answer this question?
Yes, you
Yes,
have to
you have to
answer.
answer.
Yes, I really enjoy when I'm reading books. Unfortunately, right now I have a little time. I can share my time to reading, but sometimes in the evenings I try to read something. When I'm reading, I'm relaxing.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So your
So
main
your main
answer was
answer
you
was you
enjoy
enjoy
reading.
reading.
Your
Your
reason
reason
was
was
even
even
though
though
you
you
have
have
little
little
time, you
time, you
try to
try
keep
to keep
reading.
reading.
And
And
your
your
example was
example was
reading in
reading
the
in the
evenings
evenings
and in your
and in
free
your free
time.
time.
And what
And
was
what
your
was your
concluding answer?
answer?
You
You
missed that
missed that
point.
point.
Okay.
So how
So
would
I
you
will
how would
make.
you
conclude your
put your
response?
response?
Yeah, I'm reading for learning something and growing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you can
you
say
can
so.
say so.
I
I
tried,
tried.
maybe you
Maybe
can
you
say,
can say.
I try
I
to
try to
manage my
manage my
time
time
effectively
effectively
through
through
reading
reading
or
or
reading
reading
some
some
few
few
chapters,
chapters.
you might
You
say.
might say.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay,
great job.
great job.
So the
So
next
the next
question
question
is,
is:
do
Do
you,
you
can you
can you
describe your
describe your
hometown?
hometown?
Mm. Can you repeat the question again?
Yes, can
Yes, can
you
you
describe your
describe your
hometown?
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 Yes.
Yes.
Okay. About my hometown, I live and I was born in Kazakhstan, in Shymkent, and nowadays Shymkent is modern city and a lot of modern convenience, a lot of opportunities in Shymkent. It's very beautiful and nature is so beautiful. What I also can say.
Uh-huh. Can you describe
Mm,
the facilities?
it's situated in Shymkent situated in south of Kazakhstan. It's near to Tashkent. In the summer it's hot. In the winter it's cold. Also,
Okay, maybe
what
you can describe the facilities like modern buildings or educational
yes,
facilities,
we
recreational
have a lot
ones.
of parks. Yes, parks, a lot of banks, and gardens. A lot of factories. A lot of we have, and for example, hotels, modern hotels. A lot of modern hospitals we have in Shymkent.
So, and can you please give examples like how often do people use them and how they use them?
For example, parks. They use every day. They go there to relax with their children and spend their free time. And we have also a lot of libraries. It's situated in the center of Shymkent and it's free. You can go there and do your homeworks, make your lessons there. It's free. Also, what can I say also?
Okay, and the concluding answer maybe like what can you describe your city to a tourist with one or two sentences?
In Shymkent, we have a lot of opportunities and it's very cheap, modern city nowadays in Kazakhstan.
Do you recommend others to live and to travel?
Yes, of course. To live and travel to earn money, you absolutely can.
Yeah, there are lots of opportunities, so people
Yeah,
can
can
make a
earn
living.
money here. Yes, and live. It's very cheap city. Products also cheap. You can rent a house for cheap money.